Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fariba and today I'll be showing you how to knit the crocodile stitch. This fabric turns out fluffy and stretchy and the technique feels quite similar to working a brioche rib stitch. For this pattern you'll need to cast on a multiple of 2 plus 1 stitch. That means any odd number will work. The design is built on a 4-row repeat, with the first row being a simple rib. Since this stitch works over just 2 stitches, I've cast on 13 stitches for my demo. I'm using worsted weight yarn with 2.5mm needles, and I'll start the pattern right after the cast on edge. I'm ready to dive straight in, so if you would like to knit along, prepare your cast on and let's get started. We started the pattern from the right side. For the edge stitches, I'm gonna pick up the first stitch at the beginning of the row and knit the last stitch at the end of the row. However, because this is my very first row, I will knit my edge stitch here. From next row, I will pick it up. Okay, so for the repeat for the next 2 stitches of the pattern will be knit 1, purl 1, and we repeat this rib pattern for this row. Just simple knit and purl. Just make sure that your rib pattern starts with knit 1, purl 1. Okay, we finish this row with knit 1 and then knitting the edge stitch. So one more time here, your first row will be rib stitch, starting from knit 1, and don't consider this edge stitch. So knit 1, purl 1 for this row. Row 2, for row 2, 3, and 4, the repeat for these 2 stitches. The first stitch always will be purl stitch for row 2, 3, and 4. For row 1, it was different. We started with knit 1. So I start by picking up the edge stitch. So the first stitch will be purl stitch. For the second stitch, I will make SL1U. It means I'm gonna slip this stitch with a yarn over. I will make a yarn over and then slip the next stitch purlwise to my right needle. This is called SL1U. Repeat again, purl 1, slip 1, yarn over. Bring the yarn to the front, purl 1, slip 1, yarn over. This is the same technique, the SL1U is the same technique that we use in brioche rib stitch. Purl 1, slip 1, yarn over. This is the repeat for entire row, and we finish with purl 1 at the end of the row. And I knit my edge stitch. Row 3 is very similar to row 2. I start by picking up the edge stitch. If you remember, as I said, we're gonna work the first stitch as purl stitch, even that it looks as a knit stitch. I will purl first stitch. For the second stitch, which is the paired stitch with the yarn over, the slip stitch with yarn over, we're gonna make another yarn over and slip these two together at the same time. Another SL1U, yarn over, slip these 2 stitches purlwise to right needle. Now you're gonna have 2 slip stitches, 2 yarn overs with 1 slip stitch. Bring the yarn to the front, purl 1, again slip 1, yarn over. purl 1, slip 1 yarn over. I repeat till end of the row, and I end the row with purl 1 and knitting the edge stitch. Row 4, which is the last row of the repeat, we'll start with picking up the edge stitch. If you remember, the first stitch will be purl stitch. So we're gonna purl this stitch. And for the stitch that has 2 yarn over, the slipped one with 2 yarn overs, we're gonna knit them together, the 3 stitches all together. Bring the yarn to the front, purl, and then knit 3 together. Purl 1, knit 3 together. Purl 1, knit 3 together. So next row, you're gonna start from row 1, which was the rib stitch, and you continue. I end the row with purl stitch and knitting the edge stitch. So we completed. This is my wrong side, and here is the right side. You see little bumps shaping here. So as you continue, the pattern will show more, and you will get this beautiful stretchy fabric. It can be used for many projects, especially for scarves and cardigans. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button there and stay tuned for more tutorials. Have a good day. Take care.